So, hi everybody. This is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. I want to welcome you today to today's update. And by the way, this channel, just to help you understand, in a couple of videos previously, we talked about how I basically developed this from a very small amount up to $106,000. This investment. Actually, going to talk about growing an investment portfolio in the cryptocurrency space and the right mindset that it takes to do it. Now, there's two aspects. So the mindset part is very, very important, and also the strategy is very important. And before I get started, just to let you know, I'm not first of all, this has got nothing to do with trading, so I don't do trading. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. I'm not an accountant. I'm not a regulated body. I'm not, disclaimer, do your own research. This is not financial information, or let's call it financial advice, or the other one, financial advice or investment information, or so on and so forth. This is just my experience and what I found works for me, and I'm just sharing it. The objective of the I Am Wealthy and Rich organization to help people develop the right mindset. To understand there's risk with investing, so investment can go up as well as down. So don't be deceived, but high earnings are easily achieved. Okay, so it's very important I get that out of the way and help you understand that. But key is it's working for me, and I've found a formula that works for me, and that's what I'm sharing. And also the mindset. The mindset is really what helped kicked everything else, and you'll be finding an opportunity to learn how to develop that right mindset. If you stay tuned. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to dive straight into the daily updates. I'm watching the time here. Got a stopwatch down there just to make sure I don't go too long. I'm going to go into every day. I'm basically documenting the progress of this particular one of my investment accounts, and the progress, ups and downs, because this is reality. There's reality. The market moves up and down. And so there are ups and downs. So I record them no matter how they go, whether there's an up or whether there's a down. It really doesn't matter to me, because I know generally which way the market's going. And once you know where you're going, it really doesn't matter the bumps and the minor diversions there are along the way. It's about having a matured outlook. It's not about get rich quick or about instant gratification. It's about sensible long-term investing, short, medium, and long-term investing, and the mindset that goes with it. And I'll talk a little bit about that after the update. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to share my screen and go through updating my figures. Where's the share screen thing? Here it is. So I'm going to share my screen. Nope, that's not what I'm going to share. So where's the Excel sheet? Okay. So as you can see, today's date is the 24th of February, 2021. It's 2:21. Just looking at the clock up there. 2:21. This thing updates every 20 minutes. You can see the time down below here. Updates is connected to a live feed, connected to my portfolio of one of my asset groups, and it updates every 10 minutes. So right now I'm going to just put in these figures. So 111 altcoins, 111 91990. Let's so if you can see yesterday's figures there, and the time, and the what was it called, 111 91990. 919.90. So that is up from yesterday a little bit. So I can color this one green. See? This one for the overall group, 161,472. 161,472.60. 161,472.60. I believe, let's make sure that's right. 161,472.60. Yep. And so that is an increase in yesterday. So let's color that green as well. So what that does is, yes, basically the total overall profit over last month, because this is from February, beginning of February, sorry, 1st of February, 106. So it's 55,000 in profit this month over last month, or shall I say 55,000 increase over last month. And again, you know, it could go up, it could go down. It definitely is going to go up and definitely going to go down. There's no question about it. It's just that as long as it goes up a lot more than it goes down, then that's fine. You know, we're good. So those are the figures for today. Let me just stop the share and where's the share? Stop share. So basically, what, you know, like I said, what this is about starting. First of all, I started from nothing. I really started from zero, from nothing, zero. Okay, and when I first came, you know, wanted to invest in this crypto market, I had no money at all. But what I did have, well, what I had started at that time was developing the right mindset, developing what we call a wealth prosperity mindset. You've heard of the law of attraction. Well, a lot of people talk about the law of attraction, but very few people know how to apply it. And so I over many years, I've studied the law of attraction. I've learned how to apply it. And there are many different courses I've taken and so on, but finally the penny dropped and I learned how to apply it. And when I started applying it correctly, because at that time I didn't even know where I was going to get $500 to invest. You know, I was thinking, if I can just find $500, okay, I will be able to invest, and at least that will start to grow and so on and so forth. But I didn't even know I was going to find that. But not only was I able to find $500, I was able to find a lot more than that. And then I was able to, it was the law of attraction that enabled me to do that. So if you get the right mindset, the wealth prosperity mindset correct, you will find a way. Okay? And then from there, you know, you've got to have the right strategy. And I don't promote a trading strategy. I don't promote trading. I'm not saying I've got nothing against traders. I think those who know how to trade very well, great, good for them. I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. And again, I'm a short, medium, and long-term investor. And there's various principles, you know, we pick the right, through analysis, we get the right cryptocurrencies. There's Bitcoin, obviously, but the right cryptocurrencies, and we invest in those after research. Now, you know, the mission of this IamWealthyandRich.com organization is to teach people how to understand the game of money and play it well. I understand the game of money and I play it well. Now, the word I am wealthy and rich is really it's a two-way statement. It's not really about me, okay? So I don't need to think it's an arrogant statement. It is not. It's actually a positive statement, and it's to be used by you, okay? This organization is going to be all about you. It's not all about me. It's all about you. Obviously, I've got to lead by example, okay? I've got to lead by example, but it's ultimately all about you. I am wealthy and rich, and guess what? You are wealthy and rich. And you've got to say, you are wealthy and rich, but you want to say you are wealthy and rich, you need to say, I am wealthy and rich, okay? Not referring to me, referring to you, okay? You are wealthy and rich, and among other things, okay? You've got to talk good about yourself, okay? Thank you very much. Notification out of here. So, you are wealthy and rich. Don't you forget that. And we're going to teach people how to think straight. If you learn to, this mind, this subconscious mind that you have, this divine mental equipment that you've been given is remarkable if you know how to use it. Okay, it's a great servant, it's a good servant, but a very bad master. And I'm going to be, you know, when I give you, there's going to be access to mindset training. And the mindset training that I'm going to give you, using free resources, and it's completely free. Okay, you'll get access to that on our site, IamWealthyandRich.com. Somewhere you'll see a link to that, and you want to log into it and start applying it. totally free of charge, because I believe I want to give this gift to people. It's not so much, resources are free anyway, but it's how to use them, how I combine them, and how I applied them is what I really want to share. No, it's not the resources. The resources are actually free, but if you don't know how to combine them and use them rightly, I'm just checking the the stopwatch. If you don't know how to combine them, how to use them, then you won't get anything out of them. So I've clearly learned how to use them and how to apply them correctly, and that's what I want to share with you, totally free, because I want to lift the consciousness of a lot of people into a wealth and prosperity mindset. There's no reason to be poor. There really is no reason to have lack of money. I'm not saying you're poor. I'm just saying if you don't have the money you want, there's an antidote. Okay, there's an antidote. So, but you've got to get that in place first. A lot of people just want the strategy, or show me what to do, show me what to do, show me what to invest in. That's not really your solution. That's your problem. What people think their problem is, oh, why don't you have enough money? Oh, they think because of this and because of that and because of the environment, because of the economy, because of the government, because of the type of government that's in power or not in power, because of my landlord, because of my boss. It's none of that. Okay, your problem is not your problem. Okay, your problem is not your problem. Trust me. Okay, well, I guess over time you will start to trust me. Your problem is not your problem. When you start looking at the solution in the right area, you will understand where the solution is. The solution is not in what government is in power and what your boss does or does not do, or what your clients do or don't do, or how your business is going, how the economy is going. The solution is within you, and you need to learn how to press the right buttons to get the right results. And that's what I want to teach you how to do. It's not difficult. It's a very simplistic technique. There are advanced strategies, and there's no need to do them because most people can't apply them. But develop strategies anyone can apply, and that's what makes it so great, because anyone can apply them. Okay, so look out for that. Get yourself in there. Start correcting that mindset, and it doesn't happen overnight. Don't think if you get in there it will be corrected tomorrow. It won't. You didn't get to where you were overnight, okay, and you won't not be able to change it overnight. Okay, it will take time. Once you've got that ready, then start applying the right investment strategy, because you want to be financially independent, financially secure. Only 1% of the population becomes wealthy. Only 5% of the population become financially independent. The other 95% drift to and fro. They never seem to master the game of money. So, like I said, our mission is to teach you how to understand the game of money and play it well. Money is a game. Okay, you've got to understand the game of money, and you've got to know how to play it well. And it's not difficult. I understand the game of money and I play it well. And so will you, my friends. So I want to ask you to please like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification. Remember, this is not investment advice. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial planner or advisor or CPA. I'm not an accountant. I'm not part of a regulated body. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, and understand that investing can be risky. It can be risky. So they does carry risk. So understand that. It's be irresponsible for me to tell you otherwise. But entrepreneurs or people who have the entrepreneurial mindset are prepared to take that risk. But these are calculated risks. They're not just reckless risk. There's a difference between reckless risk and calculated risk. But there's still risk all the same. However, develop the right mindset, develop the right attitude, the long-term sensible attitude, and you will get there. I'm going to stop this video any second now. I want to thank you very much for listening. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I will speak to you tomorrow with another update. Have a nice day. Bye.